Hello friends, welcome to my channel What's and How, and in this tutorial I am going to show you how to create a system image backup of Windows 10 and recover it from the by PowerShell. You do not need to use any third-party application to create your Windows image backup. So to do so, let's see how. So go to Start and type power. Go to Windows PowerShell, right click on administrator, type here a command Windows admin start backupTarget. backupTarget means this is your backup target drive where you want to take a backup. This is a drive Windows C and all critical backup and quit. So I will paste this this command section under the below section of the video, and you can copy it and you can run it from the source. So and click here paste. Here you can see I have two drive. Suppose this is C drive, which is have around its use space is 67 GB and free 360 GB, and source drive is my drive F. So you have to, in my case this is the source drive, so you have to ensure, see wbAdmin start backup and hit enter. So see here it's backup already running. So here it's showing 47%. Let's wait. We have to wait backup. You can see here Windows image backup.